guys, I am so excited, probably more excited than I've been for unboxing literally in probably 2 years. Don't catch feelings, other people. I love your stuff. You guys know horror is my thing. And so I had to order from Winnie and Walt, also known as Winston and Walter, in Canada, which I also have not been doing recently because I just couldn't afford the shipping. But I had to break down and take something out of my savings for this. So let's go ahead and see why I am so first of all, look at the way she packaged them. They're these big old bags. But let's go ahead and take a peek. I'm gonna unpackage these because obviously they're well packaged, and look at that. All right, I'll be right back. So I'm back real quick to show you, not only was it packaged in these plush, huge bags, but then when you open it up and take the bubble wrap, it's wrapped again. Look at that. And here is the card. It's a little smushed. It's freaking awesome. And I might have to go into my savings again and buy some more. I'll be right back with the true unboxing. This is the first bath bomb. It do not do that. It is so big and so beautiful. Let's look at this again. Yes, Celestial, 6.75 ounces. The prices were relative, meaning some people might find them expensive, but because of the type of bath bomb, I just went ahead and paid it, and it was a lot less expensive than some bath bombs that I see in the US for the same size. So there's different reasons why you might look at it and say, oh, that's expensive even with the conversion, but then when you look at what other people may be charging, these were actually a really good price, although I don't have an invoice in there, so I can't tell you what this one was. Anyway, I'll be back with the others. All right, look at this guy. He's so cute. Look how cute he is. And what is Green Apple Jolly Rancher? And I guess this means I'm going to have a whole bunch of extra. I mean, I have to buy bath bombs for a long time. Because this, put these in the water. And as soon as I put this in the water, there's going to be more of them, right? Yeah, don't I wish. Anyway, the next bath bomb. Look at it. You guys cannot tell me these bath bombs weren't worth paying for. And again, Green Apple Jolly Rancher. Look at it. It looks like it's about to jump out and bite me. Look at it. All right. The last horror themed one that I got. Come on. This is gorgeous. This is freaking artistry. And this is scented in reindeer poop. Look at it. Come on. Look. 3D and everything. And then the last one that I have was just because it was too cute. It's Snoopy in a peanut. How adorable is that? And Sex Bomb is the scent on this one. See, this is what I would prefer, by the way, on my labels. If you can't put the what it is on the label, what you've named it or what you feel it is called, I'd prefer the name of the scent because I can tell what it is, right? For the most part. Some shapes I can't. But anyway, when they're themed like this, I can look at it and tell what it is. But the scent, I always have to guess on. So I'm glad I have the scent. So again, we had this little Snoopy. And I believe she doesn't call it Snoopy because of copyright. I think she just calls it cute puppy or something like that. We have this one, which is Green Apple Jolly Rancher. Suddenly Seymour. All right. We have this one. This is reindeer poop. Oh, come on. We all know who this one is. Green Apple Jolly Rancher. And, of course, this beautiful big hat. Scented in Celestial. And I can see color already. I cannot wait to try all of these, guys. Come on. Come on. Look at this. All right, guys, that's it from Winston and Walter, or Winnie and Walt, on Instagram. And we'll talk to you guys on the next one.